My name is Nick Hopkinson and I'm part of Hopkinson Cycles. We're in Horbury, just outside of West Yorkshire. We sell bike spares and accessories. 1974, my granddad Howard Hopkinson established the business. He was on the Queen's Jubilee. He bought the building that we're in now. Family's always been an integral part of his business. Howard Hopkinson started it with Alan Hopkinson, my uncle, and then my father, Paul Hopkinson. And then there's also Jean Hopkinson, Caroline Hopkinson, and myself, Nick Hopkinson. A lot of people find family can be hard to work with, but we are generally very laid back, very easy going. We all just help each other out. So eBay has drastically improved mine and our whole family's life. The village got quieter and quieter, and the internet was the way forward, so my father decided eBay was the best avenue to explore. First thing they ever sold on eBay was a little brass pump adapter worth about 50 pence on auction, but you've got to start somewhere. I'm guessing he never imagined you could go from selling one item to selling thousands a week. It's gone from that one pump adapter up to, I think we've got about 1,000 listings on eBay. We've always got more than 200 items going out the door at any one time. 10 years ago, somebody wouldn't come into the bike shop and order a £50 bicycle tyre, whereas now, online, you could be selling to someone in London, somebody in Germany, somebody in Japan. It's gone from a dwindling old shop to an extremely busy online store. We're part of eBay's global shipping program, which is really helpful. They take a lot of the stress out of selling internationally. But you've also got the human side to eBay, the eBay concierge, the eBay helpline. Without eBay, the shop would not be open. It's as simple as that. Future for his business, there are going to be people retiring in the next few years, so we're going to have to find family to replace them.